The Jaguar Future Type is a vision for the car of 2040 and beyond. The fully autonomous virtual concept explores mobility for the connected world of tomorrow. You will always be able to experience the sheer thrill of driving, but this is a steering wheel like never before. It's called Saya. Saya is the first voice-activated AI steering wheel that will be able to carry out hundreds of tasks. It will be your membership card for our on-demand service club, a club which offers either sole ownership or the option of sharing the car with others in your community. It may even be the only part of the car you fully own. You and your passengers can relax together in our social seating interior. You can separately access your different digital orbits of work, family, or play, dialing up what you do need and dialing down what you don't. And when you want to enjoy a drive, you can take control. The art of performance will be alive and strong in 2040 and beyond. The Jaguar Future Type.